Crash the water.
And we won't have to cry no more.
Today, kind of doing a little bit different. I did my first build, I recorded it and stuff like that. So I'm off to fly it. I built it maybe like a week or two ago, and I'm going to fly it outside of my home area for the first time. So that's what we're doing today. It's been raining all morning and I've been trying to go but I couldn't. But I'm happy that finally now I'll be able to. While I'm on my way to go down to the spot, you guys will watch the build video. NewBeeDrone. They didn't send it to me. I mean, I'm not a big YouTuber or nothing.
Yet.
It's basically an Lite kit, but not built. I got, I guess I should say, the BeeBrain Lite. Flight controller and camera and all of that good stuff. Got the Nitro Nectar charger, pH 2.0, just like the Nitro Nectar batteries. 250 milliamp hours. We get the prop. Obviously the frame. I'm not sure if this is a cockroach, but it might be a cockroach frame. And also this is a nice case. I got a pair of NewBeeDrone plaid motors, it looks like. So I just reached the spot. It's pretty empty. It's only one car, see, but very empty. I don't know how much I'll be able to do here, but anything is good. And to see if there's anything interesting to do. But all I see for right now is long hallway. First pack, crashed in water, but it looks like the circuit board or anything didn't get wet, so hopefully everything is fine. I don't know how much I'll be able to do at this spot.
We won't have to to cry no more.
I think that this spot is gonna be a little bit more fun because even though it's a tiny whoop, I may be able to do a building dive. This spot seems like it's gonna be a lot more promising. Alright.
One of these.
Look how close it was to the water. Oh gosh, that would have been bad. Building diving is fun.
One of these.
I would say this is a solid spot. I really like it. This is the last spot I'm going to go to. It's Linquist Beach. I think I'm going to stay out in the parking lot.
One of these. It'll all be over. It'll all be over. And we won't have to cry no more. And we
Best way
won't.
to finish off the session, whatever you want to call it, just chilling on the beach. Alright folks, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's the first video in a while, but expect more to come very soon. Hop on the FPVI train before I leave because once we take off, we're gone. I hope you enjoyed the video and just know more to come soon.